We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
I've been waiting for this update for the last 3 months, and it's finally here. And now it's the moment of truth. Will it work? Yeah, it does. I mean, you're listening to it right now. There's a lot of other really cool updates as well, so we'll get into all of that right after this. Welcome to this channel where we do reviews on everything. If you like this kind of stuff, please hit that subscribe button on this channel and help it grow. It has been growing a lot faster lately, and it's so awesome to see, so thank you very much. I am so excited, and it sounds really lame because I've actually been checking for this update like every day. Mainly because I already had the GoPro auxiliary mic adapter, and I really wanted to use it with the Hero 9, but it wasn't working. So instead of getting the media mod, which I got anyways, I bought a Ulanzi case hoping that it would all work out. And I wanted to wait until this update so I could do a review on this. But before we do that, let's dive into this update and see what they announced. It's the Hero 9 Black update version 1.5. It provides support for the remote. And by the way, I couldn't actually get the old GoPro remote to work with the Hero 9. This actually works when it's plugged in to the USB, but because it's so old, the battery is like completely dead on this thing anyways. Provides support for the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, which is this one. Yay. It improves hyper-smooth performance at cold temperatures, which I'm not experiencing any cold temperatures here in Brisbane at the moment. It's summertime in Australia. So it offers faster wireless offloads to the GoPro app. That's cool. Improves GPS lock and accuracy. All right, I don't really use any of that stuff, but yeah. It provides support for live streaming with the Max Lens mod. Dude, okay, so in a few days from now, I'm actually gonna do a live stream test with the Max Lens mod. That'll be fun. They also made improvements to schedule capture. I think that people were experiencing problems with it. I've never actually used it. General bug fixes and user interface improvements. Awesome. All right, so let's run the update. Basically, the easiest way to update is to run the GoPro app, and then you connect it to your GoPro, and then it should pop up and tell you that there's an update needed. You run that update, and it takes less than a couple minutes. It's usually pretty fast. Boom, done. All right, so let's try this out. I got the Ulanzi case, and it looks awesome, and it's literally been sitting around for 2 months waiting for this update. All right, let's put this together. Okay, seems pretty easy. So you just gotta open up this compartment, throw your GoPro in there. Boom. Slide the auxiliary adapter, plug it in. It's cool, there's a lot of detachable parts to this. This is a very cool looking setup. I noticed here, there's actually like little rings. I'm wondering if they have any like filters that kind of like screw onto that, so I'll have to check that out. Now when you go into the settings of the GoPro, you can find the media mod, and now when it's plugged in, you have the different options between standard, standard plus, powered mic and powered mic plus, and then direct line in. For me, what usually sounds the best is I use the Smart Loft Plus, and I just clip it onto the side of the GoPro and just talk to it like that. And standard works perfect. This would also work well with the Rode Wireless Go, just like that. And this setup actually looks pretty cool. I wonder how it looks against the media mod. This is a tricky one, and I'll save that for another review soon. All right, now let's go take it outside and try it out. This is so great. I'm so happy they made it work. And this setup looks awesome. But you know, this is why I don't film outside very much these days. Like, listen to these bugs, man. They're crazy. Hold on. All right, that sounds a lot better. I'm so happy with this update. This looks so cool, this setup with the Ulanzi case. And I also love that when you get a GoPro, you can be excited about new updates and features and enhancements coming out like all the time. Okay, a lot of cool videos coming up on this channel. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a certain review about something, and I hopefully will see you on the next one. Welcome to this channel where we do reviews on everything. Why did I say we? It's me. Well, sometimes whiskey helps too. Not today though, he's really lazy.